Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. So in this video I will show you how to log out from Snapchat. So at first open your Snapchat app on your phone and tap on the profile icon on top left corner. And go settings option top right corner. Scroll down. At the last option is logout. So tap on this logout. So as you can see here will show you logout option, so tap on logout. My account is logging out. So this is how you can easily log out your Snapchat app. So thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.